So first off, we have an AYR. This is 25-28. A little bit of wear on the button. Usually it's the crotch that gets blown out, but this one seems to be in really good shape. We have, this is Banana Republic Premium Denim 27 Petite Straight. And this one also seems to be in really good shape. This is Levi's Signature size 14. These are a pair of shorts. These are nice. Not sure why they ended up there, but we have another pair of jean shorts, universal thread, which they don't sell anymore, size 8/29, vintage midi. These are actually really kind of cute. I like the peachy color. And these are No Boundaries XXL, which is a 19, and it has the soft waist, so these are jeggings. Pretty decent shape, nothing exciting. We have the Sweetheart, so this is an Old Navy 10 regular, and great shape also. These are a flare bottom. We have Hollister 24-25, and the paper bag type waist with the self belt. And this looks, I haven't tried the zipper yet. No, zipper's fine. So another one that's in really good shape. This is J. Crew Jeans, waist 32, length 30, black jean. It's just fuzzy, good shape. There is some dirt here, so but once that's washed, I think it'll be in good shape. Here's another pair of black pant. This is a Hollister 5R, waist 27, length 28. And these are more of a stretchy feel. There is some wear in the front, so these would actually make a cute skirt, cut off here, and then add some length to it. So that's probably what I will do with that. We have another black pant. This is New York Rewash brand, high rise, size 9/29. There's your tag. So it's a button fly. The waist seems to be in pretty good shape. It's another black. This is Abercrombie & Fitch 25, the 90s straight ultra high rise. And this one seems to be in good shape. This is For All Mankind 7. Kara's straight leg. Not sure size wise. Have to look a little harder. So something small. Not sure. This also has the puckering here, so not great for wearing as a jean anymore. We have American Eagle. This is Next Level Stretch, size 0 short, and these are well distressed, but crotch looks good, so that's in good shape. And something a little bit bigger, J. Crew 770, 3230. So and does have funky whispering, so I'm not sure. Probably wash those too. Well, probably wash everything, just to make sure they're clean. Wild Fable size 8, and of course they don't carry this brand anymore. Crotch looks good. It's a distressed style. Another black pair, Just Fab size 28. These have a little stretch to them too. They look like they're in pretty good shape. And this one has a issue on the back. So again, this would probably end up being a skirt, maybe something else to go with it since we have this embroidery. But it's Soho jeans, boyfriend size 6. So that's going to go in this pile. It's only 3 that I noticed that need to be changed. So Lee Perfect Fit, and don't see, let's see, can I read the size? Not very well. So there's the tag. I'll have to work on that when I have a little bit more light. And crotch looks pretty good. We have another one with some embroidery, and this is not sure. So I don't know what brand this is offhand. Looks like it's in really good shape. It just doesn't have a size tag handy. So I'll have to look at that one. So far we've only got 2 pairs of jeans. Shorts. Here's another pair of shorts. Size 14 universal thread, high-rise midi. This is a acid wash short. So 3 pairs of shorts now. These are brand H&M Divided size 6. And these are like the I can't even think of what I want to call them. The ones that have the like the wax on them. We have Aeropostale, Design Magic, leggings, jeggings, size 10 short. And these look like they're in pretty good shape. These are American Eagle Outfitters Extreme Flex. These are 26-28. See, patch pocket there. These are probably new without tags because they didn't cut out the where the tag used to be. So we have American Eagle Next Level Flex. It's the same size, 26-28. So again, I've got 2 of those now, a little different. These have whiskering on them. Might just package those up together to sell them. American Eagle Next Level Flex, 28-28. So a little different size, just one size bigger, but good shape. We have D Jeans New York size 14, and one of my daughters wears a 14, so let's see if she wants to try on any of these 14s. But that one looks good. This is Levi's 524-2 super low, 15 medium. That. Super lows aren't very popular now, but you never know. Some people like them still. This is Sound Girl size 3, and feels like a jegging. These do have some issues right here, so They're gonna go in the skirt pile. American Eagle. This is artist size 8. So there's the artist. There's the American Eagle. And these are a low rise, but crotch looks good. They are a flare. Looks like we have 3 more here. So this is can't find the size. So oh, here we go. 27. So Levi's, and let's get the patch on the back. Size 27, and they look like they're in great shape. 2 more. So American Eagle Super Stretch, size 12. That, and these are a bit worn in the crotch area again. A lot more wear. You can see how light that is, how it's thinned out. Again, that could work well for a skirt. Arizona Jean Company, size 7. So here's our tag. And these are just a pair of cutoff shorts. I don't know if they were originally sold as cutoffs or if they were done by the person that owned them. So that's it.